Here we are going to see how to add positive integers and how to subtract positive integers, how to add negative integers, how to subtract negative integers, but using a number line. So first of all, we draw a number line and let us see how to solve the first sum. What is 1 plus 4? So we are adding a positive integer to 1. So first of all, we should place a marker at 1. So we are placed over here. So this is the starting number. Starting number. And when we add a positive integer, we move that many steps to the right. We always move to the right. When we add positive integers, we move to the right. So we're going to move 4 steps to the right side. So 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we land at 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5. You may already be knowing this. But now let us see how to solve the second sum. Negative 2 plus 3. So we are adding 3 to the number negative 2, minus 2. So over here what we are going to do is, we are going to start at negative 2. This is our starting number, remember. And we are going to add a positive integer. And to add a positive integer, we move to the right. So we're going to move 3 units to the right. So we move 1 unit, 1, 2, and 3. And we land at number 1. So negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. In the same way, what is negative 3 plus 5? We are adding again a positive number to negative 3. So we're going to start at negative 3. This is our starting number. And we are going to add 5 steps to the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we land on the number 2. So negative 3 plus 5 is 2. But what if we want to subtract a positive integer? In order to subtract a positive integer, we move that many steps to the left. Left because we are subtracting. So we are going to see how to solve this one. So 1 minus 2. We are going to start at 1. But since we are subtracting a positive number, we are going to go to the left side. We're going to go 2 steps to the left. So 1 and 2 to the left. And we land on the number minus 1. So 1 minus 2 will give us negative 1. Similarly, let me erase this first. What is 6 minus 8? So we're going to start at 6. So we are over here. And then we are going to subtract 8. We are subtracting 8 units from 6. So we're going to go left side 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places. So we land at negative 2. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2, negative 2. Similarly, what is negative 2 minus 1? So negative 2 means this particular number. And then we are subtracting a positive integer. So we are going to go to the left side. So minus 1 unit. And we land at the number minus 3. When we add negative integers, we move that many steps to the left. Left because of the involvement of negative integers. So for example, 3 plus of minus 5. So we start at 3. But since we are adding a negative integer, we are going to go to the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we land at negative 2. So 3 plus of minus 5 is minus 2, negative 2. And then 0 plus of minus 4. So we start at 0 here. And then since we are going to add a negative number, we are going to go 4 steps to the left. and we land at negative 4. Similarly, when we subtract negative numbers, we are going to go to the right side. The reason is we are both subtracting and involving negative numbers. So two negatives make a positive. So we're going to go to the right and not to the left. So for example, minus 5 minus of minus 4. We start at minus 5. This is our initial position. And we are subtracting a negative number. So we are going to go 4 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we land at minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. And then we have 0 minus of minus 5. So we have 0. And we start at 0. And then we are subtracting a negative number. So we're going to go to the right side 5 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And therefore the answer is 5. Practice more and more such sums on the number line, and you'll be an expert on this. Thank you for watching.